Welcome to your Week 6 Flipgrid. This is your last Flipgrid assignment of this semester. Your goal is to create a grocery list of foods or drinks that contain each of the following vitamins and minerals using this interactive PDF. So, for example, I listed some of my favorite fruits, grains, vegetables, protein foods, and others on this grocery list. What I'd like you to do is create a video where you're showing us this list. You can film your computer screen or do a screen recording of your computer screen of your grocery list. And then behind each food where I have vitamin or mineral question mark, it's your job to go back to this list, and here is where you'll type in the vitamin and or the mineral found in the foods on your grocery list. So you need to have at least one of all the vitamins and at least one of all the minerals on your grocery list, while making sure you have at least 3 food items under each of the 5 food groups. So how do you know what vitamins or minerals are in foods? Well, you have a couple options. You can look at the food labels on the actual food, or you can Google that food's nutrition label and check that way. I've also listed some hyperlinks here for you to help you think about which types of foods have the different vitamins and minerals that you're looking for. This is also a graphic that shows you where you're most likely to find the different vitamins and minerals in the food groups, so you have a place to start searching for foods. The goal is that you select foods that you actually will buy on a grocery list, so foods that you actually think you might like or that you want to try. I suggest that you list whole foods on your grocery list as much as possible. Whole foods means foods that are less altered by humans. Foods that come in their natural state. So it's not something that we as humans have manufactured in a lab and put in a box, but something that is naturally grown or naturally come from the earth. So try to use whole foods whenever possible. And lastly, in your video, make sure that you tell us the function of at least one vitamin and at least one mineral. You can write those functions on the notes section on the bottom of your grocery list, so that all you need to make this video is right here on your interactive grocery list PDF. This week, creating reply videos is optional. And of course, it's optional to actually use this grocery list. But I'm hoping that you might download it, save it to your computer, and help it create your own grocery cart online, or help you next time you go grocery shopping. Can't wait to see what foods from each of the food groups you put on your grocery list.